when it comes to exchanges, especially centralized exchanges, I've always said one thing, that the mainstream exchanges don't have much incentive to provide incentive to users to engage further, to onboard further, because they already are mainstream. So they don't have much to go up from there. But we have newer exchanges, not newer as in exchanges that are launched months ago, but exchanges that are launched years ago, but they haven't become mainstream yet. They offer much better services, much better security, much better features, much better bonuses than those mainstream exchanges. Like, for example, we have Mexi Global. We have talked about it multiple times. We talked about multiple listings on Mexi Global. And I understand that a lot of people are trading on Mexi Global continuously and actively. And there are other exchanges that are much better alternate to Maxi Global. For example, we have a new exchange, not exactly new. Like I said before, it's not an exchange that were born a month ago. It has been operating since 2020, but it hasn't become mainstream yet. And that is the reason why they're providing all these incentives, all these bonuses, much better feature than Maxi Global is offering. And that is what we're going to compare in this video. And I'll let you guys decide which one is a better option. Now, like I said before, Bydfi is not a new exchange. Actually, it already has a decent user base, which is, in comparison to Maxi Global, isn't that much, but that is the reason why it's providing all these features and better services and better leverage and so forth. They already have more than 550 cryptocurrencies that are listed on Bydfi. They have more than 500,000 users registered, and it is providing services in more than 450 plus regions and countries. And this means that you are not going to require any VPN to access it, which is something that you have to use on Maxi Global. So this is going to be the comparison that we are going to talk about. Now, like I said before, these both exchanges, they are prominent in the list of cryptocurrency exchanges. They offer unique features that obviously cater to different traders' preferences, and you have to decide which one cater to you more specifically. But like I said before, when it comes to simplicity, when it comes to flexibility, and also generous rewards, from my perspective, from when I have compared Bydfi to Maxi, I think Bydfi, it emerges as a compelling choice. But of course, you have to look at it yourself to believe it. And that is what this video is going to be about. So first of all, let's talk about the key differences. And let's talk about the difference that you're going to experience when you newly, let's say, sign up on Bydfi and also you sign up on Maxi Global. When you sign up on Maxi Global, first of all, they have lower limits. It will ask you to perform KYC. The threshold is actually pretty small in a sense. Bydfi, it offers a much more user-friendly experience by eliminating the need for KYC unless you are withdrawing more than 0.5 Bitcoin per day, which is a huge amount. And I don't think we will be doing that. But unless you are withdrawing more than 0.5 Bitcoin per day, you do not need KYC. But Maxi Global is going to impose withdrawal limits without KYC, which obviously can be frustrating for traders and those traders who are seeking a hassle-free experience. Now, if we talk about leverage on perpetual contracts, because how much leverage an exchange offers, that obviously is significant, and that is something that interests most traders. So in Bydfi, we have a leverage of up to 200x on perpetual contracts. So it offers traders with more trading power and potential profits. Maxi, however, it limits the leverage to 125x, which may be less attractive to traders who are seeking aggressive trading strategies. Now, if you talk about fees on the spot trading and also on the trading pairs, Bydfi offers zero maker fees on spot trading, and it supports more than 600 trading pairs, which provides a diverse range of options for traders. If we talk about Maxi, on the other hand, it does offer a decent number of trading pairs, but its fee structure is not as competitive as Bydfi when you look into the details. Now, if you come to the welcome rewards and bonuses, like I said before, the mainstream exchanges are not going to offer this because they already have onboarded a lot of people. But those of exchanges who have not surpassed, let's say, 1 million user base, they are going to offer you with bonuses, and that is what Bydfi is offering, and Maxi is not offering. So we have an $80 to $90 welcome reward with more than 8,000 plus reward, and a $100 contract bonus for depositing any amount. On Maxi, which offers a more limited bonus structure, which is probably not as appealing to traders as Bydfi is going to be. We have instant deposit bonuses and credit card support on Bydfi. So on Bydfi, we have a unique feature of instant deposit bonuses, which offers up to $100 for trading on perpetual contracts, like I mentioned before, and it provides us with 200x leverage when depositing using a credit card. But Maxi does not offer this feature, which obviously makes Bydfi a much better option. If we talk about global accessibility, now this is where we talk about the VPN stuff that I talked in the start. Bydfi is accessible globally without needing VPNs, which obviously makes it convenient for traders in regions where Maxi may be restricted. If we talk about Maxi, it is restricted in multiple regions, like we have US and also Canada, which requires users to utilize VPNs to access the platform, which makes it non-convenient. So we have discussed multiple reasons and we have discussed multiple comparisons in which Bydfi is in the lead from Maxi. In terms of simplicity, I think Bydfi is a much better option because it has a better user-friendly interface. And the minimal KYC requirements, obviously, it makes it easier for traders to be onboarded in this. So it's very user-friendly for beginners and also for the experienced traders to navigate. We have a higher flexibility. It provides us with higher leverage. We have diverse trading pairs. We have global accessibility, which offers traders more freedom and opportunities. We have generous rewards in this that we have discussed. And if we talk about security, Bydfi prioritizes security and it offers features like cold storage, segregated accounts, and strict whitelisting. So I think in terms of simplicity and flexibility and generous rewards and security, I think Bydfi is much better option than Maxi. They also offer more than 250 derivatives pairs. Obviously, in the end, it boils down to what you're more comfortable with. So if Bydfi seems to be a captivating choice for you and a better option than any exchange that you're using, if you're using Maxi or any other exchange, make sure that you click the link in the description to sign up and get started. I think you can really benefit from all the bonuses and all the features that they are providing to users. And yeah, this is all of you guys in this video. If you have any question about this exchange or the comparison that I've given and you have any remark about this comparison, make sure that you let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. So stay tuned.